video, I'm going to be doing my edges. My edges are very thin right now, but yeah, don't mind these bumps. I'm going to put toothpaste on it. Toothpaste like reduces the size of your bump, just to let you know. I'll do a whole skin routine for you guys. Anyways. Put some music on here. So what you're going to do is brush your hair down. Bring all your edges straight down. So just brush your edges down. Brush them down. My edges are really thin, so you can't really see it, but you're gonna see it, mama. Sorry guys, you can't really see me. See. Alright guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do, any YouTube videos, things that you want to see me do, I'll do it. And basically when I put my hair down, you do not need an edge brush to do this. Use a comb, baby. It's not that hard. You have your edges down right, and you're gonna just make a C. Make a C. Not a regular C, but just a C. A C. You're doing this. So you have all your edges down right, and just C. C. That's it. Anyways, I look good. That's crazy, but it's true. It's good, but it's true. That's great, but it's true. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, comment, follow my social medias down below, and thank you guys for watching this video. Have a blessed day.